Sanibonani guys, sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming, wakhohlwa kusubscriber. Kubalekile like video, share video as well. So, asikhulumeni ke ngodaba likaGogo Maweni noSabelo Mgube ongumyeni wakhe, right? Ngisiye sakhuluma ngokuthi kuye kwaba ne-audio lana etrendayo ekuzwakala uGogo Maweni etshela ke umyeni wakhe uSabelo Mgube ukuthi akatshele leyo ntombazana okuthiwa allegedly kumanje inengane kaSabelo Mgube ngoba ke bazwana kwase kutholakala ingane ngesikhathi uSabelo Mgube eshadini uGogo Maweni, which means he cheated, right? So laphana ku-audio kuzwakala ke uGogo Maweni ethi mtshele ukuthi kuwe naye kuphelile into ekanjalo, engathi he is being forced to tell leyo sisi ukuthi umama wengane kaSabelo Mgube abajweli baze bazala ingane ukuthi akamtshela ukuthi kuphelile, futhi yena uGogo Maweni akaze kumshiya emshiyela le ntombazana nokuthi nje ujolile. Gijima ke leyo recording, then uSabelo Mgube wabuye wazophendula lana ethi abantu abaphuma endaweni zabo into ekanjalo, so waye manje kumele abantu bamphathe kanjena njengoba ngodaba lwalento eyenzakala kudala, okuzakala ukuthi ngathi kuthiwa leyo nto leyo recording ebesiyizwa ngathi kuthiwa ya 3 years ago actually. So ke abantu bathi noma ku 3 years ago kusala you cheated and nakhona wazala ingane ngaphandle, emveni kokuthi uGogo Maweni astraightenishe lapha akhuluma ngokuthi ena kuchithwa nendoda yakhe ngoba yena ubamba imithi yenu uyaloya yena uthini, kodwa indoda yakhe yachitha yaze yazala ingane. Abantu bathi hawu awuthanga wena yakhe indoda ntontontone. Yabona ke wabuye uSabelo Mgube ke ngizolipostela le clip yakhe uphefumulile lapha ethi abantu abahlukana nendaba zabo into ekanjalo bafowethu. Manje kuGogo Maweni kunenye clip lana ke uzile wazochaza uGogo Maweni ukuthi vele uSabelo Mgube uye wachita, uphinde futhi akhulume nokuthi ngathi naye uye wachita ngathi sesikhathi, angazi ukuthi ubani uqala ukuchita between yena ke noSabelo Mgube, bachitelana ke kodwa into eseyadlula. Wakhuluma nje into eyiningi yana kade ezibala lapha uGogo Maweni, so ngizoletha lawo ma clips nizizweleke. So abantu bahleke uSabelo Mgube ukuthi ngoba uye wachita manje watrenda ke manje usuze kwenza damage control, kuningi nje lapha kulawo ma clips ngizoni-insertela wona since ngiye ngathula kodaba lokuthi kuthiwa kunesangoma esiye sashitela indoda yaze yayozala ingane ngaphandle, phezu kokuthi leso sangoma leso sasithe ngoba sona sidume ngemithi eyaso indoda, kanti ngamanga nje alihlaza siyathreatenishwa nje ubhuti uyazishitela uchithe waze wayozala ngaphandle. Kodwa ke kuzwakala ngathi kuthiwa into yanini eminyaka emithathu edlule. Okay, ngizoletha lawo ma clips.
Nomfazi, we tried to build a future. Ngiyacela uphume empilweni zethu. Thank you.
No, tell her that you don't want to be with her, you don't want to see her, and I have a fucking address, okay? And her stupid ass that whatever you guys were doing together, it is over. And I'm not going to leave you for a rat that stays in Turffontein. A stupid girl of Fasipondo, or you thought it was good enough for you to come. You tell her that you're not interested in that shit. Because she's shit. And you tell her that she's shit. She was only good for then. She's not something you're going to build a future with, because she's a fucking asshole.
Lalela, uma ngabe kuyiqiniso ukuthi sonke sifunda ngamaphutha, kungani ningibambe ngamasende ngephutha elenzeke eminyakeni emithathu eyedlule? Mhlawumbe uma ngabe seniqedile ukuhlekisa ngehlala izolo, kuyofanele nizibuze ukuthi mangaka amatafula bengawo uma besingawasusa amagama ethu ekwasekeleni. Mhlawumbe kuyofanele nikhulekele nengelozi yokwamukela ukuthi ukusehlukanisa nehlulekile. I'm building a future with my wife. Thank you. Mhlambe kuyofanele niphume niphele kuthina.
Okay, good morning guys. Guys, I think I'm the only one. No, but my mom also confirms it. I'm assuming one of my babies is a boy. Like, but anyway, good morning. I feel like I'm not even greeting you guys properly. I don't know what this video is about, but geez, I felt the need to actually like post something. You know, I'm not a girly that likes to post or that likes to do lives or whatever. I don't actually ever have time for that. But nowadays, I've got so much time in my hands. It's not even funny because of my situation, you know. There's certain things I can't do in my Ndumba. So, like today, for instance, there's cleanses. For now, until I feel that my babies are strong enough, then I will go back, you know, to cleansing people. I do go to the river for river cleanses, but I don't actually do the work, you know. Last year I was pregnant and then I had a miscarriage. So a lot of it had to do with me continuing with my work while I was pregnant. So this time around, I've done things differently and I'm actually grateful and, you know, I'm happy. I don't want to lie. I'm happy. But the babies are growing. They're big now. I can actually feel them move, which is amazing, which is great. And yeah. Okay, just a couple of things. One, I miss podcasting, guys. And the project is still ongoing. You know, I decided to build my own studio so we could go back to podcasting, but in my own space, you know, and also rent out my studio to other people to make money, to generate income. And at the same time, I'm also doing the traditional spa. So, which is a project that is still which is still being done now, you know, and that on its own will bring money as well. So, hey, and another thing, thank you guys for your messages. You know, some of your messages are so touching, and some of your babitang body experience are so touching. I had experienced this, I think 3 years ago, about Sabelo cheating. If you guys watched UGogo, the first season, I'm currently doing my second season now. We're filming. I went to court with my crew because, you know, the girl's gonna make money. You can't be like going through such drama and not making money out of it, you know. When I was approached and they said, listen, let us film this and you gonna get paid for it, then I was like, yeah, calculating. I'm a businesswoman and also I know how to make money. So, you know, might as well. I mean, it is out there anyway, so might as well get paid for it. But anyway, going back, you guys send me such beautiful messages. You know, shared your experiences with your own partners, doing things and whatever. I'm not about to put my husband on blast, but if you guys watched season 1 of UGogo, you would have known we had a fight. I think there were like 3 episodes regarding cheating. At the time, I was also cheating on him. I think one of the things that he fought about was me paying rent for this guy that I was busy with or whatever. Anyway, and that's what you know, under the bridge. I don't want to talk about my infidelities or his infidelities. So yeah, it took a while for me to get over that whole thing, you know, the whole cheating that he did with this girl, as much as it took a while for him to get over me or whatever the case might be. But which is okay. So your messages, I think, you know, sometimes you say you healed, and then when this shit starts again, then it awakens all the drama and all the pain that you went through. So the messages that you sent me actually really, really healed me. And at this point in my life, I think I've gotten to understand who I am and to understand that some things don't actually need a reply or a response. But I just want to say thank you, ladies. You guys are amazing. I don't want to lie. You know, the messages that you've sent me really, really, really helped me, because when this thing started trending again after 3 years, it kind of like brought up all, you know, that anger that I had 3 years ago because of this situation. Okay, also another thing that I wanted to talk about, I think I posted on Facebook. Now, last year I had groups, right? I had groups of ladies, which go WhatsApp, where I had over 1,300 females in each group. I think I had 6 groups. it became really hard for me to manage the groups because remember, I have to work and I finish consulting sometimes kabo 11 busiu because of the queue and stuff. And then ka weekend, I do cleanses. So I couldn't really maintain the groups, and I feel like I failed like a lot of women because I started it and it was great and people were actually, experiencing a lot and people got to speak out and whatever the case might be, and they enjoyed the groups because still today people ask me, am I ever going to open the groups ever again? I want to, but guys, it's just too much work, and like my phone freezes, and half of the time some people are at work during the day, sorry, people are at work. So if I open the groups during the day and messages are going crazy, it's over 1,000 ladies in a group, and I switch on, let's say on Monday, group 1, the comment section, so you guys can have a discussion, right? It disturbs other people that are working, and also even if you want to catch up, it becomes so hard to catch up from what was being spoken about the whole day. So the groups didn't work. However, I loved the baby Zang. I loved what was happening in terms of women getting together, women talking, and sharing experiences, advising, and even our businesses. Because on Sunday was our business hours where I would, for 1 hour, let you plug other people or let you advertise your business. A lot of people appreciated that. So anyway, I was thinking, maybe why don't we make the groups physical? Do you understand? Where we can meet twice a month. We meet twice a month to discuss, because the groups were about spiritual things, people who didn't understand their spirituality, people who are going through things and couldn't find help, and just talking in general. And me, I wasn't the only Sangoma. I wanted, in the group, there were other Sangomas, and they were also helping and advising and talking and so on. So I thought, why don't we